Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial, I will discuss about how to create Roblox account on your mobile. So keep watching this video until the end. So first of all, download the Roblox application from the Play Store. After that, open Roblox application on your mobile. When you open first time application, you will see this interface. Click on create account and here is now select the birthday. So I am selecting my birthday 1998. So simply continue birthday. Now here is make sure enter your username and make sure username is not your real name. Add another your username. Here is now select the gender and gender is optional. So I am selecting this one. Here is after that click on continue. Now guys enter your password. So password must be strong and add numerical numbers in your password. Here you can see, click on done. Now wait for a few seconds again. And here is guys your Roblox account has been created. Now last thing is add your email address. Enter your email address here and continue. So when you continue, he is sent to verification code or your mail. You can see appears on screen. Now click on this verify email. Here is now guys successfully created your Roblox account by this method and your email address has been verified. Now log in again your Roblox account and enjoy. I hope this video helpful for you. So guys please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.